Hi, today for the OPPO A77s and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So we should first open the Play Store application and then in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So after the installing, we should click the open button to open the app. Tap to enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard you will see here the switcher. Just click to activate, go back, tap to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's just check our new keyboard. So we could see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 and still all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.